What you doing there, Goonie? Oops. Come over here, Goon. Come here, Goon. Come on, let's go over here. Come on, Goonie. See, if there's something on the floor, you go right for it, don't you? You go right for whatever is on the floor. What happened? My goodness. You better get up again. You better get up again, sir. Come over here. Colby. Come here. Come here, you. What you doing? Come here, cutie pie. Come here, cutie pie. What are you doing? Are you playing with those big... Are you playing with your big feet? What? Yay, Colby! Yay! Yay, baby! Yay! Come here. Now you're just taking the lazy man's way out, crawling around. But get out of the way for the drunk baby. He's coming through. Oh, you got all sorts of stuff there, huh? Oh. And you're stepping on your sound book too at the same time.
Take it away.
Are you done walking around? You just kind of play a little bit? You just want to play a little bit? Hi, girl. Colby, you want to come over here? Come here. Come on over this way, handsome. No? Okay. You don't have to. I certainly don't want you to make... I don't want to make you walk when you're not in the mood. What was that? I think that was Dad's phone buzzing. You're a funny little boy, Colby. You funny. You're so funny to watch walking around. Are you chasing me? Whoops. There you go. You better slow down there, drunkie. Okay. Yeah, you okay, honey? Hey, let's turn this off and you want a snack? Is it snack time, maybe? What happened? Oh, my goodness. Would you like a snack, sir? Oh. Say okay. Say we'll see you later. Say Colby, it's snack time for Colby. Snack time for Colby. Okay. Colby. All right. That's about it. See you guys later.